Hayeng report pangthokadoriba polling station taruki manungda laiba public office, educational institution amadi autonomous body na chingba pumnamak suti oiragani haina Manipur lengaki General Administrative Department ki Deputy Secretary Asem Rangina na order thokre. Asem Rangina ki order aduna hai ani suba phase ki oina haukiba tang kuntarukta pangthokiba outer Manipur ki Lok Sabha mikaladu ukrul SC ki polling number 44 by 20, 44 by 36, 44 by 41, 44 by 50 chingai SC ki polling number 45 by 14 amade Karong SC ki oina polling number 47 by 33 SC Representation of the People Act 1951 ki section 58 close to amasong 58 close A2 ki makada chanararoi baramaduna hairiba polling station taruk asigi repol hayeng ayok pung taretagi numidang wairam pung mari fauba repol pangthoklagani repol asi mapung fana pangthoknabagi damak polling station taruk asigi manungda laiba public office educational institution amadi autonomous body na chingba pumnamak suti oibaga loinana commercial amadi private undertaking da thabak tawba myoi singidi pet holiday oigani amaromda report tawgadoriba polling station taruk asigi manungda laiba private enterprises private industrial center amadi shops and commercial establishment act ki manung chana laiba private institutions singda thabak tawba myoi sing hayengi oina pet holiday oigani masigi damak Manipur lenga ki level commissioner cum secretary na mathau taba thabak thoram sing lokhatkani makatana negotiable instruments act 1881 की section 25 की makada report tawgadoriba polling station taruk asigi manungda laiba bank financial institution sing amadi LIC na chingba sing public holiday oina ba lauthoklei adumakpu report tawgadoriba polling station sing asigi manung chanadi leiraga masigi wangmada thabak tawba government employees singi oinadi special casual leave natraga pet leave oigani haina Asem Rangina gi order asina makata rakli